divorce, you have some alternatives on how you want to do it. You can proceed with a traditional litigation approach, which is one where both parties generally get attorneys and it's a contentious matter where letters are drafted back and forth between the attorneys. You go to court and a judge makes a decision. The alternative is mediation. Mediation is a process where the parties sit down with a neutral third party who is the mediator, trained in conflict resolution, and the mediator helps the parties reach their own agreement. The mediator will help prepare all the documents, get a binding agreement in place, and help the parties complete their divorce with as little stress, little expense, and little time as possible. Collaborative divorce is another option as opposed to litigation, and it's a process where the parties commit not to go to court. They both get attorneys, but they're collaboratively trained attorneys, which means they accept the model of not going to court and sharing information to get an amicable resolution. There's other team members that are generally used in a collaborative divorce. Both parties generally get a coach, which helps them deal with the emotional aspects and the communications, a financial specialist who helps them divide retirement accounts and other assets, and a child specialist to help them decide what's best for the children if there's children involved. We charge $250 an hour for mediation. Depending on the type of conflict you have, mediation can cost as little as $250 if you complete it in an hour. Most mediations take anywhere between 1 hour and 8 hours to complete, again, just depending on the complexity of your case. Schedule a complimentary consultation. Please call 480-998-1500.